jump in the boat and do freak out. I like how he's on the metal shoes.
Out scouting and we find a rabbit. He's having a hard life today. He doesn't realize there's a ramp right there, but you know, animal brain. Dude, he's so worn out, poor thing.
I'm gonna try and just.
Yeah.
Oh, so close to that pipe. Let's try. Tight. I can't get him in the netty, so I don't have gloves. Come on. He's like, don't put me back in that water. There you go. Get in it. He's like, I don't want to go back in the water, dude. I know this kid.
There you go. Pick him straight up, Kyle. There you go, boy.
There you go, dude. Look at that.
Poor thing, man. I'm so glad he's gonna get to live. He was not having a good time, dude.
He's so tired.
Yeah, he didn't even try to run. That's how a wild animal not even trying to run.
He might have got stuck on low tide or on high tide, and that just finally.
Poor thing.